Meanwhile, the COMELEC is being urged to be strict in the accreditation of party list groups. This comes in view of certain party list groups neither representing nor serving the marginalized sectors. George Bandola reports.
Election lawyer Romulo Macalintal favors COMELEC's decision to saturate applications for party list. This time, Macalintal insists COMELEC should immediately disqualify party list nominees that are associated or immediate relatives of an incumbent representative of a congressional district. This is to finally put an end to a dynasty and interconnection of interest in the lower house.
Siguro ang bagay nito ay hindi dapat payagan ng ating Commission on Elections. Sapagkat lumalabas dito na hindi na ito party list. Parang lumalabas ito na ito ay family corporation na. Sabi ko nga sa Commission on Elections, kung talaga bang sila ay kumakatawan sa libo-libo nilang mga miyembro, ay bakit sila din lamang na pamilya?
Macalintal reiterates party list role in Philippine politics that they should serve as the voice of the real marginalized sector.
Pero may mga ibang party list na talagang address nila yung marginalized or underrepresented. Talagang very valid ang kailang concerns. But then, siyempre, may mga iba naman na masasabi natin na talagang they are trying to enter the Congress through the back doors.
For their part, transport sector wants a resolute COMELEC this time, audacious enough to prohibit nominees that are not actually acting for and in behalf of undervalued sector.
Dahil nga sa programa ng ating Pangulong Pinoy, kami ay sumasang-ayon na sana ho ay ma-streamline at talagang maalis yung mga hindi karapat-dapat na mga representative dito sa aming hanay na sektor ng ating party list.
Another transport sector is trying to take a seat in the 2013 elections, but what are they going to do in the Congress should they get a seat?
Pero siyempre hindi lang limitado sa oil issues, no? Siyempre yung particular yung sa hanay ng mga tsuper. So magsusulong tayo mga panukal ng batas para i-advance yung welfare ng mga driver.
And like other elected party list representatives, it puzzles Macalintal why issues of marginalized sector has not been seriously addressed.
With due respect, hindi ko pa rin malaman kung ano ang kanilang nagawa at ano ang kanilang mga specific projects or bills na nakatulong para sa kanilang mga sinasabing sectors that they...
For People's Television, George Bandola.